Hey guys, welcome back to T2's Barbecue YouTube channel. I'm sorry it's been a few weeks since we posted anything, but there's been a lot going on. I'm sure you see the bandage on my face. Well, I had a little skin cancer. Had a spot on my arm, pretty good spot on my face. You can see it in the previous videos, but I had it removed and it was cancerous. They did get it off, so now we just gotta do a little healing. So all of that out of the way. Again, sorry it's been a few weeks, but we're back, we're getting things going again. So today we're gonna be doing a recipe. It's from a dear friend of ours over across the river in Illinois. This is Angela's recipe for Italian Stallion pasta salad. Yes, Angela, I said it with a straight face. So this is the best pasta salad that I've had in a long time. So while I'm working on getting the pasta ready, I've got everything else all ready together. As soon as I get the pasta ready, we'll bring you guys back and we'll put this thing together. Alright guys, so we got our pasta done. I didn't cook it super long. I like a little chew with it, so the box says 9 to 11 minutes. I actually went about 9.5. So now we're just going to put everything together, get everybody in the pool here. We've got a 1/4 cup of onion, 1 whole can of black olives sliced. It will come out. There we go. Then the same amount of green onions sliced, or olives. And then the recipe calls for 2 cups of Italian 4 cheese, shredded cheese. I could not find Italian 4 cheese yesterday, so I'm doing Monterey Jack and cheddar. I'm just subbing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half of my cheese and put it in and mix it in, and then once we get everything mixed, then I'm gonna top it with the rest of our cheese. So since I couldn't find the 4 cheese, I am going to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of parm. This is just your regular old grated parm. And then this is where the magic comes from, so she tells me. This is Wishbone House Italian. Angela did specify that it has to be the house because the flavors vary, and she said use the whole doggone bottle. So there you are. Now we're just gonna kind of work everybody together here. And another nice thing about this this type of noodle, this pasta will hang on to the to that dressing and just soak it in. That's another reason that I don't necessarily cook my pasta all the way is because I like for it to pull in the flavor from the whatever dressing I'm using. So from there, here I'll give you guys a little look. That's where we're at the moment, and from there I'm just gonna take the rest of our cheese and top it just like that. Gonna hit him with just another little sprinkle of that parm right across the top. Then we just throw in a lid on it, put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for a bit, and the longer it sits the better it'll get. I have made this once already, been a while, but I like it after it sits for at least a couple hours. So anyway, there is Angela's Italian Stallion pasta salad. Thanks, Angela, for the recipe. And guys, thank you all for putting up with the delay between videos and for coming back and checking us out. We'll see you on the next one.